Good job.
I think Easter placed this thing clear.
You think what?
I don't know what I just said. Easter placed this thing clear.
I know what you mean, though.
All the Easter eggs in here.
Let's see. I see one just right when I walk into here. Look, right from here, you can see something in the bathroom.
I see it.
Oh, man.
That's not soap. That was a good spot.
Oh, and I'm there.
Oh, nice.
Thanks, Kayla. You're so
sweet. Kayla. What, Connor?
Sorry.
That was so sweet of her, wasn't it?
Yes.
Ow. I thought there was an Easter egg.
Those are just
Hello
toys.
Kitty. Guys, I got Hello Kitty Easter eggs in my basket.
You do?
Yeah.
I wonder what's in those.
I don't know. I haven't checked. And look what I found.
What's in that one?
I don't know.
Starburst.
Kill Starburst.
Oh.
You guys better take a break and eat some candy.
Yeah.
Okay. No, guys.
No, you gotta find more eggs. Okay.
Oh, all right.